Welcome back to English on Your Mind. I'm Natika, and in today's lesson, I'm going to give you 3 tips to remember how to use the word information correctly. The very first thing to remember is that information cannot be used in the plural form. So don't say informations. Simply say information. In the singular form, don't say a information or an information, because information cannot be used with the articles a and an. Instead, you can say a piece of information or some information. To talk about, you can either say information, some information, or a lot of information. Here are some examples. I found some useful information for our new project. This book has a lot of information on communication skills. Try using the word information in a sentence correctly in the comments below, and I'll check it for you. That's all for today. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please press the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of all of my new videos as soon as I upload them. See you soon. Bye-bye.